Hi all, today I will tell you about an unforgettable past experience, to be precise, on my 17th birthday. On my 17th birthday, I was very happy. It was a simple birthday celebration, but very meaningful. I invited my friends to come to our place on the beach and celebrate my birthday. At that time, I didn't expect that many friends would attend because they had previously said they were absent. It turned out that when we arrived at the venue, many of my friends were present. Not only my friends, but also my extended family. One of the most fun events was getting on a boat and traveling around the island with my friends. We also had a picnic on the beach and had a barbecue, which was a lot of fun. After sunset, we all headed to my family's house, which has an ocean view. There, we cleaned ourselves up. Unexpectedly, there was a further surprise for me. It was a beautiful gift that my family gave me, and it had been an amazing experience. Thank you.